Cancer. Cancer is a prevalent global problem. And according to the recent studies, the main cancers are lung cancer, breast cancer, and colon and prostate cancers. Yearly, there are totally more than 20 million cases occur. Almost half of them died. So, cancer is still critical disease. Cancer can occur from whole of the body, from brain to lung, liver, and colons, and bone and skins. Also from kidney and bladder, and also leukemias. Why do we fear cancer so much? Cancer grows very fast. Also, they invade a different part of the body, so that is called as a metastasis. Also, after curing, cancer easily can reoccur. Cancer cells, they can do silent metabolic hijacking, so they utilize a lot of body energies to make more cancers. So these kind of properties make the therapy is more and more difficult. So there's a serious challenges in therapy. So cancer is uncontrolled cell growth, and they make a tumor, and also they have a potential to invade and spread out the other part of the body. When the cancer or tumors, they reside in the within some defined area, we call them benign tumor. Once they break the boundary and invade different area of the body, now we call them malignant tumor. Let's look at the hallmarks of cancer. The cancers keep the proliferative signaling. Also, they evade the growth suppression signal. And they achieve the immortal replication power. Also, they can avoid immune attack. And they activate invasion and make metastasis. And they can induce new blood vessel formation, so-called angiogenesis. And they resist to the cell death. And finally, they deregulate the normal cellular energetics. These are healthy cells. When the cell size is becoming bigger, as in fat cell, then this is called as a hypertrophy. With a lower nutrient, the cell size becoming smaller back. If the cell number is increasing, it is called as hyperplasia. These processes are considered as a normal process. Now, if the cells go into different shape and size, this is a dysplasia. This is abnormal. And neoplasia is the uncontrolled growth of the cells. Development of cancer takes multiple steps. So here is a normal colon, and it started to show different size and shape cells. Dysplasia happen, and it can be developed further to adenoma. Then it becomes carcinoma, and eventually it became invasive colon cancer. During the cancer development, there are a lot of mutations that happen. Some of them is called as the driver mutations, can make a significant impact to make a cell growth abnormally. And there are many of passenger mutations. It's a following up, not very significant, but some mutations also happen together. When the driver mutation happens, now new clones are forming up, and eventually the cancer make many different kind of clones of different type of tumors. So that means one tumor may not be the single disease. We need to handle with this multiple type of different type of tumors. Cancer cells, they resist to the cell death. Also, they evade growth suppression signal. Then, how do we handle this problem for the therapies?